We're all still here to keep you guys safe and on the road. Taking this very seriously. We're keeping our distance between each other, and we're taking some precautions to return the vehicles in a safe fashion. How's it going, Eric?
Good.
What are you doing over here?
Just doing our daily routine, disinfecting our clients' cars before we release them back to the client.
Very cool. So as you guys heard, this is our typical process. Basically, whenever we send a car back to a client or they pick it up, at that point we make sure that every point of contact that we've touched is completely disinfected to the best that we can. I mean, we're making sure that even the little grooves and stuff that we could be breathing on, we surely spray down, wipe down, and make sure that there's a physical cleanliness point of contact. Same thing we do when we shut the car and seal it up. We make sure that it's clean before we do so. So we are still at it, just making sure that guys stay on the road, that people get to do what they need to do when they need to do it, and that you will not be relying upon a car that is not running. Thank you all for supporting us through this time. We are here to support you as well.